Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Homemade Tutorial channel. Have you ever wondered that how you would know if your Excel file has formula or how many formulas are there? Like if you want to check one by one, either you will be clicking on one by one, or how you can check the whole file like at once. You can know that which column has formula and which does not. So to do that, simply you need to press Control plus tilde. Tilde is a symbol. Okay, so this symbol you need to press the first key below the escape and on top of tab. So this is the key you need to press. Simply, I hope you can see this. So this is what you need to press in order to check if your file has how many formulas or how many formula are there in the file. So how you do that, let's show the example. Now I have this file, I don't know where is the formula, where is no formula, so I'm gonna be segregating the contents with formula and which are without formula. So let's do it. Control A, I press simply just to select it all. Okay, you can press Control A, or you can even select like this from here. There are many ways to do that, or you can select the whole sheet like that. So I'm gonna be doing like Control A, and then I press Control plus this backquote symbol key, the first key below escape, backquote also it is known as. So as you can see here in this file, I have all those formulas are here. Okay, and there are some places when there is no formula. So what I will be doing, I will simply highlight those which are no formula, so I will know in which there's a formula or there's no formula. And in order to go back to make it the same way as it was, so to close it, you need to press again the same Control and the backquote symbol, also known as squiggly or tilde. Okay, so this symbol. So let's do that again. First Control A to select all, then Control and that symbol. Okay, that symbol in here. So that's how you go back. Now you know that which of the columns does not have the formula. All right, so this is it about this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video. If you guys like the video, please do share and comment and subscribe to my channel Excel Homemade Tutorial. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.